Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by drawing a clean front-facing square. This is your anchor. Use a ruler and lightly sketch a 6 cm square so you can erase and adjust. Once done, label the corners A, B, C, D to track corresponding vertices. Make sure to keep lines faint. This helps when adding depth. You're creating a base plane. Treat it as the near face of the 3D shape. This step sets proportions, so check symmetry before moving on. Next, establish depth by placing a staggered offset for the rear square about 3 cm diagonally from the front. You'll draw 4 short, parallel lines from each front corner heading toward that offset direction. These are the edges receding in space. Once those guidelines are in place, connect their outer tips to form the back square. You're creating a cuboid illusion. Keep edges parallel and consistent. If one line looks off, gently erase and to finish, darken the visible outer edges and erase any remaining construction marks so the 3D form reads clearly. Add soft shading to one side and the top with directional strokes that follow each face. This tells the eye where the light is coming from. Make sure edges that should be parallel remain parallel. If faces look skewed, nudge their anchor points slightly and correct. A key troubleshooting tip: if depth feels wrong, reduce the offset distance and redraw the receding line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.